Today, we are going to learn about marketing. Cue that beautiful intro.
They call me crazy cause I'm facing all my giants, but that's just me, I'm gonna live out in defiance.
I'm going to put this nicely. Online marketing is a jungle, but you already know that. So, let's take a look at two prime examples. Marketers marketing to marketers. How can you go wrong? Buy my course. You won't regret it. How can I go wrong? And that's it. That's online marketing in a nutshell. I hope you enjoyed my lesson today. Tomorrow we'll have a look at social media.
They call me crazy cause I'm facing all my giants. They try to scare me into thinking I can fight it. They tell me I should never even think of trying, but that's just me, I'm gonna live out in defiance.